Y'all have probably read or heard stories about an increase in turbulence-related injuries in aviation. These stories are likely to only increase as weather becomes more significant, more severe, and more unpredictable. Some turbulence is to be expected anytime that you're traveling on an airplane, especially on longer flights. However, moderate to severe turbulence, and this is the type that we're hearing more and more about, this is the type that's more likely to cause an injury. It's not usual, it's not expected, and this type of turbulence is considered an accident under international law. Turbulence can be either an accident or not an accident, depending on the severity. What causes turbulence is a change in air pressure. The change in air pressure can affect the lift on the aircraft. It can cause it to basically drop like it was driven over a cliff. It can also be caused by wind shear, which has abrupt and rapid change in direction of wind, along with a change in the speed, which can all affect the lift of the airplane. And what happens when you encounter these types of atmospheric conditions, the aircraft can suddenly drop. And what you'll see in some of the videos that have been shared online of these events is you can see passengers and property, beverage carts and things within the cabin initially being thrown upward in the aircraft towards the roof. There's videos of people hitting the roof, beverage carts hitting the roof, and then once that pocket or area of atmosphere that allowed the plane to drop is passed through, there's then an abrupt aircraft is basically caught and everything slams back down. This is a very violent condition. People are thrown pretty hard, and even when they have their seatbelts on, oftentimes the mechanism and forces of this can result in injury. In these situations, we have to look at the atmospheric conditions used in the evidence that are available to us. That type of evidence is historic satellite imagery that shows cloud, water vapor formations. It could be historic radar that shows thunderstorm, cloud tops, and also weather products that are produced and provided within aviation. And oftentimes those conditions will support a finding that the turbulence that was encountered would have been more moderate or severe than the routine kind of mild turbulence that would be expected. We have encountered cases where pilots have flown directly through very large thunderstorms and caused injuries to their passengers. At Schuler, Weisser, Zoeller, Overbeck, and Baxter, our attorneys have handled cases that involve injury and death caused by airline accidents. We've handled cases involving crashes, hard landings, and injuries caused by turbulence. So if you or a loved one have been injured in an aviation accident, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be more than happy to help you in these types of cases. Thank you.